Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to use the stochastic RSI, right? Which is basically used for intraday levels like with 5 minutes chart or the 15 minutes candle frame, all right? But in this way in this video I'll be telling you about the swing type of strategy to be used with RSI, right? And it is very much accurate over here. Let me just show you how. First of all, you go to your time frame and keep it as 1 week's time frame of candlestick, and then you go to apply the indicators of stochastic RSI by searching it, right? As you can see, you've got the stochastic RSI over here and apply it as I've already applied over here. And then you change its default settings by clicking on it, going into the settings and put the inputs as over displayed here as K as 3, D as 3, RSI length and stochastic length as 12, right? So after this, what you have to do is basically understand what is RSI. Let me just give you three parts of RSI over here, which is from 80 to 100 levels, which is the overbought level, and then the level of 0 to 20 level, which is of oversold level, right? And this level from 20 to 80 is the indication of prices moving either up or down in the RSI and also with the prices over here. So how do you basically use it? Whenever you see the blue line crossing the red line from bottom to up, it means that the prices are ready to go up. And then whenever you see the blue line crossing the red line from up to bottom, it means the prices are ready to fall, right? Or also you can just see the both the lines as just one line if you could see, and use the indicator as oversold zone and the overbought zone. That will be more than enough. So now coming into the how to use the indicator. If you just see that whenever the stock has taken a major dip, right, over here, again over here, and then over here, and in the recent times of HUL, if you could see, here, and here again, right? If you could see that whenever there's a major dip in these levels of oversold zone, and then the prices have always risen after that, right? If you could see that the price over here, which was at around 1650 levels, you would have gotten a profit up till over here, which is at around 2177, which is a profit of around more than 500 plus rupees just within a time frame of around 13th of August to 21st of October, right? So within a time frame of 1 to 1.5 months. And even in the recent times, if you could see with HUL's chart, which I'm taking off as an example, with the recent time, RSI was at oversold zone, the price was at around 1980, and the price went up till here at 2350, which means an overall profit of around 400 rupees up to 400 rupees, and the RSI touched 80 and then it started coming down. So this is the point where you have to sell and buy as per the RSI, comparing it with your price levels, right? This could be only used better with very accurate accurate results only with swing trading of up to 1 week's time frame. So that is how you use the stochastic RSI with its settings, which I just told you, and have great amount of profits by holding the stock for up to 1 to 2 months and enjoy the money you've just gained. So that is all for the video, guys. If you have liked my video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon notifications for regular market updates, and also check out my other videos as well. Until next time, happy investing and bye bye.